Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of expensive creams that promise youthful skin but deliver little? In this tutorial, we will show you a natural, time-tested remedy for radiant skin. By the end, you will know how to prepare and apply a traditional anti-aging cream. Start with gathering your ingredients: rice, flax seeds, oats, potatoes, and turmeric. Ensure your rice is soaked in water for at least an hour. Next, blend the soaked rice into a fine paste. Now, add a tablespoon of flax seeds to the rice paste. Next, include 2 tablespoons of oats for added texture and nourishment. Peel and boil 1 potato, then mash it and mix with the existing paste. Finally, add a pinch of turmeric for its anti-inflammatory properties. Mix all ingredients until smooth, creating your anti-aging cream. Apply this mixture to your face, focusing on areas with wrinkles and dark spots. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash off with lukewarm water. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week for best results. This remedy helps reduce wrinkles, fade dark spots, and boost natural collagen. You'll notice firmer, smoother, and brighter skin over time. Now you know a 100% natural method for youthful beauty. Remember, regular application is key to achieving lasting results. Make sure to share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more beauty secrets. Thank you for watching. Be healthy and radiant.